This vase is made of removable fake books and a tin. I removed the books, poured the water in the tin for the real flowers, replaced the books, then placed some flowers in the vase. Now I don't have the real flowers, but you get the point, right? If you want to know how to make this fake books vase, let me show you how. I start with a cardboard rectangle that is 15 inches by 9 inches. I'm making a fake book with it. Drew a line at the midpoint of the rectangle, then drew lines on the right and the left of the midpoint at 1 1/4 inch. This is the spine of the book, and drew some more lines in the spine area. To find the center of this rectangle, I drew the crossing lines, and you will see the significance of it in a bit. I had this empty chocolate tin that I showed you in the beginning. I drew the circle with the tin, cut it out and folded it to find the center and the radius of this circle. Now I draw that radius circle using the center of this rectangle. This way the circle is in the middle of this rectangle and also it's the right size circle. I cut the circle to make a hole in the book so I can string the book on the tin, and when I string the book on the tin, it won't be lopsided at all. Scoring the lines so the book can close. These lines are drawn for the placement of the pages of the book. I wanted this book to be 1.5 inch thick. Here I am making top and the bottom part of pages. By the way, I am presenting a series of 3 Trash to Treasure vases. This one is the first vase of the series. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm checking the length of pages. Made the mark where I want the pages to end. Rechecking the length of pages after cutting. I'm cutting out the side part of the pages as well. If you are first time viewers and if you're liking what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel. And here's my basic fake book is ready. I covered the rough edges of the book with the brown paper to make it look nicer. And this is how it looks when the glue dries. Apply gesso on the spine and the pages part of the book, since only that part of the book is going to show up in the final product. To decorate the book, I made motifs with the glue gun glue and the silicone molds. I made 6 books all together in the same way. I used a pickle jar lid as a stopper. Here I stacked all 6 books, stuck them together and strung them on the tin. I removed the books for the ease of painting. Applied gesso on the top book. Used dry, stiff brush to paint the pages. After painting the pages in gold, painted the rest of the book with white acrylic paint. Painted with metallic gold. And here's all done vase. I hope you like the idea, and I also hope that you will join me for the second vase in the series. Bye.